Donald, turn off the car. Oh, crash. He just crashed. Somebody. Ma'am, are you okay?
On October 15th, 2025, a high-speed police pursuit ended in a devastating crash that took the life of an innocent college student.
I'm stopping at the ramp, yeah. Donald, turn off the car. All right, he's taking off back on the 112th and west, or eastbound. All right, speeds are 88, light traffic, road's dry. Approaching Ainsworth, red light. Oh, crash, he just crashed. Somebody, medical aid priority. I want to be checking on passengers. Ma'am, are you okay? 344 county. Hey, he's running west or eastbound. Rowan, stop the car! Or stop! You're gonna get pursuit eastbound. 112. Cash Creek Apartment or Ash Creek Apartments. He's running southbound. Get on the ground, you're gonna get hands out! Do it now!
Don't hit me, don't hit me.
Give me your hands.
You got it, you got it.
Give me your hand.
You got it. You got it. You got it, you got it.
Give me your other hand.
Yes, sir.
Give me your other hand.
You don't have to put so hard.
344 County. One in custody. Ash Creek Apartments. I need units to go to the scene. There's a female that jumped out of his car as well. I'm not sure if she's... Step up. Get up.
Yeah.
It was a brunette, white female. .344 County. We're gonna need traffic. It's gonna be a DOA. I want you to know you just that lady back there. That lady you hit back here, she's deceased.
No, she's not.
Right. Hey, get back on the ground. Sit.
I gotta pee.
I know you gotta go to the bathroom, but you're gonna have to sit right here. All right. Hey, buddy, you okay?
So bad.
Okay, are you okay? Have a seat. Have a seat. 344 County. There were two other people in the car. Both are need medical aid. I know. I said, have a seat.
Crushed pretty badly, so they're gonna have to probably cut the car over.
Anything on you?
No.
Have a seat. Oh, stay right there. Step out. Turn around. Probably should have just stayed at the gas station and let me talk to you and detain you, right?
Yeah.
Send you to jail for the warrant you had.
Yeah.
So you're under arrest for your warrant.
Yeah.
Now vehicular homicide and eluding. Do you understand that?
That was an accident.
Do you understand that?
No.
Okay. Well, I'll read you your rights here shortly. They're not going to take the lighter at the jail, so we're throwing that away.
Yeah.
your car.
Yeah, she's, I don't know how to pull someone.
No, I stopped real fast, briefly said, ma'am, are you okay? With no response. Oh, you know.
Got nothing wrong.
Yeah, this is the driver.
That car?
Yeah,
Two on the ground or
Yeah.
or in the vehicle. Is this chick over here, was she in the vehicle?
no, she's not, and these two are not part of it.
Okay, got it. Do you have anybody else outstanding?
Not that I'm aware of. I mean, I saw him get out. I saw the girl that is on the power box get out.
Okay.
She stayed put as I ran past. I didn't even know that guy was in the car.
There's only 3 of us.
All right, have a seat. All right, Mr. Rowan, I'm going to read you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right this time. Talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of those rights explained to you? Are you willing to talk to me?
Yeah.
Yes? Was that?
Yes.
Okay. So were you aware of your DOC felony warrant?
Wasn't sure.
Were you aware? Yes or no?
I wasn't sure.
You weren't sure. Okay. When you saw me, we were playing cat and mouse over here, right? Off 120th down. You went down Alaska. We bypass each other. You see me, I see you. We make eye contact back there at 116th. I get behind you. I'm confirming my stuff. I get all my stuff confirmed. Yep. Okay, we're going to do this traffic stop. You pull an AM/PM, right? I light you up at AM/PM. What were you thinking then?
I'm going to jail.
What's that?
I'm going to jail.
Okay, you were going to go to jail, right? Done. Go to jail. Why did you run?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know why you ran?
Didn't want to go to jail.
Huh?
Didn't want to go to jail.
You just didn't want to go to jail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just retarded.
So
That was dumb.
decided to drive completely recklessly, regardless of any life or property, ran the red light and smashed into this lady where we have one now deceased. Do you understand the charges that I told you earlier?
Yeah.
You're going to go to jail for the escape community custody, the warrant, the eluding, and vehicular homicide. You understand those 3 charges? Okay, there may be more additional ones, but those are the 3 that I know for sure. All right? Are you injured or anything like that at all? Do you need aid to check you out? Do you feel? I want to have them check. Hey, medic. I still need to get him looked at. He has to go to the hospital anyways, but so just hang tight, all right?
I'll have them come check him after.
All right.
Once with her off, we'll have to check him.
My thing was is if he was going to boogie through that, because I couldn't tell his
I was
distance.
coming. I thought I went on the other side of the fence of you. Thought he was going to.
Oh, I couldn't tell his distance from the light from where I was at.
Yeah.
And if he was going to go boogieing through that light at a red light, I was just going to terminate it. I was just going to say, not worth it.
Yeah. When you said he was northbound,
But-
I was going northbound to get to Steel, and then you said eastbound, so I came to 108th, and I was going to get sticks out, and then you crashed. He ran. I saw you running here, and I turned, thinking he was going to hop the fence.
And see, the car stops, and I checked on her, and when I checked on her, I seen all the smoke, and I seen 2 people out and running. So I went after him.
You guys are okay?
I'm okay. I got the driver of the 300 in the back of my car. He's going to need to be just kind of looked up before we transport him to the hospital, and stuff like that.
Okay.
Did y'all see what happened? Were you guys at your house?
I was at my house. I heard it.
Why is nobody checking?
This is the eighth.
The weed already did. She's unfortunately not with us anymore. If that's the case, it's the compression of the carb on her, and once they cut, I'm praying that she makes this out of it, but it's not looking good.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys heard the crash? You didn't see anything?
No, we didn't see it. I heard a car was going fast. And I heard,
This all happened in seconds.
Oh, I know. Do we have, is traffic coming out?
Yeah, they're here.
Okay.
Yeah,
I guess I need to know what I need to do.
that's a good question. I think we're gonna hold tight for now. Dude sitting in your car?
Yeah, he's in the back of my car. He's freaking out.
Oh, sure. Well, just hang tight for a minute.
All right.
Yeah, don't do any more police work or anything like that. Just hang out for a minute. Take some deep breaths.
Yeah. No, after that little jog,
Sure.
I need a deep breath. How are these two back here?
They are conscious and alert. They're both just hurt.
Okay.
There's bullets all over the place.
Is there?
Yeah.
Speaking of,
Ammo and stuff all over.
okay, I got all my stuff. Okay.
No one you?
No. Can you do me a solid? Get her identification, get his identification.
I've been trying.
Okay. Okay. I'm good. Yeah. It's that is the driver back here. The white car. Yeah, that's him back here.
Okay.
Is this person in custody?
Oh, he's in custody.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and open up and assess him.
Huh? What's that?
We're gonna
Go ahead. It's unlocked.
assess him. Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah, I already told him 3 charges, or I got the warrant and I got the 2 additional charges: eluding and a vehicular homicide. I told him there may be additional.
Oh yeah. When you went on the other side of the fence, I was like ripping off the boards of that people.
Oh, that was you on the south side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because
All
I
right.
was like, I was trying to hop the fence. I was like, is that you? And I heard you, and I was trying to rip the boards off.
Yeah, I came around the corner of that apartment complex,
I saw you
And-
coming down. I was like, oh.
and I seen him cut through trying to get to that fence.
Yeah.
I told him I want to, just to try to get him to stop.
Yeah.
And
Did he stop back?
man, I think he just ran out of gas. He went down, got him in custody. Life's good then.
I was trying to cut him off, but then of course he.
But
So no one's outstanding, nothing like that.
nobody's outstanding. No. He said there was only 3 with in the vehicle, so the 2 plus him. And
I'm gonna try to ID here. So.
okay, and unfortunately,
No fatality?
yes. Unfortunately,
So we're gonna need to get an arm exposed.
what's that?
We're gonna need to get an arm exposed for him, and we're gonna start taking vitals on him.
Would you like me just to cut the shirt? You guys can cut the shirt.
We can cut
No,
the shirt.
I don't want vital. Don't cut my.
Listen up. They have to. Listen, you're gonna have to go to the hospital regardless.
I know, but you don't gotta cut it.
All right.
Please.
You know what? You know what? Other than being,
I'm not gonna be.
I know. Other than being silly and doing all this other stuff, get out.
Do what you can.
We're gonna take his hoodie off, part way. Which arm do you want? His left arm here. All right. You want to go ahead here? Let's roll you this way. Go ahead. Make it to where.
Not going nowhere. Okay?
I know.
Pull your arm out of the sleeve.
All right. Have a seat back in the car. For him, yes, it's going to be last ROWN.
Once he's done getting evaluated, we're gonna stick him in his car.
Okay.
Out of your car.
Right.
And get you off the line. Hang tight.
What's the game plan?
We're determining probably traffic is going to have state do the investigation.
Okay.
As soon as they're done with him, he's getting out of your car.
Yep.
And then I think we'll have to leave your car here, but probably just take you back to Parkland
Okay.
Donald,
right
on
now.
a scale of 0 to 10, what is your pain level at right now?
Personally?
There being no pain at all.
So.
You physically okay? You're not hurt or anything? at all?
No, I'm fine. I mean, maybe my little jog might, show up a little bit later on. But I mean, other than that, I wasn't involved in any collision. I was like, I hadn't even crested the hill, I don't think yet, because I was way behind him. He took off from me, and I knew he was starting to approach this intersection, and I couldn't tell, and I was like, okay, the red light or lights are still red. If he crosses, if he blows this on it, I'm terminating. Is what my thought was.
Mm-hmm.
And before I can even get to terminate, the collision happened, and
And we had 2 other people that were in
two
his
other
car.
two other
correct?
people were in his car. The guy you can see with the blue sweatshirt and a female, These two, so they live over here.
Okay.
I have frequent contact with the
Well,
parties over there. They didn't see nothing. They're just standing there. They heard
Hey,
it and came
Avalos,
over.
can we get those two people out of the scene? Yeah. They're not involved at all.
What else is needed? Do we know?
Am I allowed to take my lunch and my stuff out of the car when I get here?
I would assume so.
Okay.
I would take what you need,
Okay.
phone, wallet, stuff like that. Cause
Well, yeah, my lunchbox has my other in it, so I need to keep that with me.
Okay.
I mean, what I need is this to kind of, obviously, we need to let this happen first. We're trying to figure out if you guys are taking it or if state's taking it, so. Stand by.
Kato is figuring that out.
Pass that around.
So Nate told me that right as I was pulling up, and I've not heard an answer yet. Well, you're taking this guy.
There's gonna be and probably a bunch of stuff in that car. So
Okay.
he's probably.
I couldn't tell if he dumped anything
Have
either
we-
as we were running.
Have we checked them for?
I heard there's one everywhere.
There's 22. There's 45. Like there's everything.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm starting to get a little bothered.
So it's going to be my recommendation that he be transported by law enforcement to get evaluated based on mechanism. And he's got a heart rate of 130, which could be consistent with just the chase. He's denying any meds, but his heart rate shouldn't be in the 130s.
Mine's probably in the 140s right now, so
Right.
I don't doubt it.
Right.
Yeah, the command would like him seen in a hospital, whether he goes with us or
We're.
you guys.
I think we're going to transport him because we're going to have to sit on him anyways.
Okay, cool.
And whoever's doing the overall investigation is probably going to want to do, toxicology stuff on him. Get the blood work done. So
Fantastic.
and then he's going to go to jail. So I mean, we're just going to sit. I think we're 100%. Where'd David go? Never mind. Ashmore, we're sitting on this guy. Yes.
Yeah, do you want me to radio?
Okay. Yeah. I just got it. Making sure for them.
He just want to make sure he's going.
Yep. Yeah. So he's going to be sat on.
Cool.
So.
Yeah, as long as he gets evaluated at the hospital.
Oh yeah, we can't book him into jail without him being evaluated. So.
Perfect. And obviously, if anything drastically changes, you can stop and always call us en route and that kind of
I
thing.
don't anticipate you having any problems based on what we're finding. His vitals are consistent with a high-speed pursuit.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, Sherry. I get someone over here for you. I got Rapley right down the East Coast Sport. Need him? Let's do it. Okay.
7497.
What's up, Adam?
Okay.
Give me a phone call.
You know, flashbacks.
We'll block you, man.
Stand behind me. Stand behind me.
Need to, we'll get you back to the precinct and stuff like that. Your choice. Okay?
Yeah, Dave was going to get me to Parkland.
Okay. Where's your car at?
It's the one right there. Yeah.
I might stay here just for a minute because we don't know. We're still debating on what agencies it actually
Yeah.
is. So we might be there for a minute.
I'm a hug. It's hard to hug with all this on.
I'll hug you with all
So
this
I'm
on,
just going to
man.
wait till she's done.
Okay.
So, so if you're peer support, do I need to have this on, off? What do I do with this thing?
I think we're good here on our end.
So I can turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got everything that we're turning it off.
Later, officers arrested Donald. He was charged with vehicular homicide, fleeing from police, reckless driving. This all started when deputies attempted a traffic stop on Donald, who was wanted on outstanding warrants and was under community custody supervision. Instead of stopping, he fled at high speed through Parkland. During the pursuit, police say Donald ran a red light and crashed into another vehicle in the intersection, killing Paula, a 20-year-old college student who was on her way to class. Authorities say he later admitted to fleeing because he feared returning to prison after violating the terms of his release. Investigators also noted that he blamed law enforcement for chasing him, rather than accepting responsibility for his actions. Donald pleaded not guilty in court and is being held in the Pierce County Jail on a $750,000 bond as the case moves forward.